Greetings, I'm Richard, and welcome to my small yet outdated kitchen. I'm here to announce that I'm starting a low budget, low production value cooking show here on my YouTube channel. Hopefully nothing will catch fire, but there will definitely be mistakes. There may be some cursing and a fair amount of alcohol. So probably not a kid's show. By trade, I am a fiction writer and I host a podcast about creativity. And I want to bring some of that to these episodes. I think that people often look at cooking as a chore, something that they have to do. And I don't think that's necessarily the case. I think cooking can be really fun and it's another way to be creative. So, not unlike writing a short story, it's taking a bunch of various ingredients, putting them all together, and creating something wonderful. Most of the time. Now, for what it's worth, I am not a professional chef. I've never been professionally trained. I did work in a few restaurant kitchens over the years, but pretty much everything I've learned I've picked up from reading cookbooks, watching cooking shows, and trial and error. And believe me, there's been a lot of trial and error. So I'll be posting the first video in about a week, and I'll try to post pretty regularly after that. I hope you'll join me. We're going to have some fun. Talk to you soon. Cheers.